How to use Wrike's marketing campaign template. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Wrike's marketing campaign template. Using Wrike's marketing campaign templates could help you streamline your campaign planning and execution. And here is how to do it. The first step is to sign in into your Wrike's account, and the second thing to do is to access the template. Now, how can you access the template? You can access the templates by creating a new space using a template. And how can you do this? Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen. Yeah, top right corner where you can see a plus icon asking you to create. Once you click on it in the box displayed, click on space, and then we brought to the space page. On this page, you can just go ahead and search for marketing campaign. Campaign. All right, marketing campaign. So once you click on it, the ones are available will be displayed to you. So you just have to select the one that appeals to you. For me, I'll be working with this campaign management template. Then after selecting it, you'll be brought to the previews page. Then you can just click on it. And then you wait for some seconds for the workspace to be prepared. So this is the template. You can see how cool it is. This is designed to help you plan, launch, and even track your marketing campaigns. So you can easily customize each of these, like rename each of these projects, the tags, and the folders to fit in into your particular objective and your plan. And then once you have this, another thing is to change the view to campaign Gantt, like this is the Gantt chart. This will make it more effective. And then once you've have it changed, the next step is to track your campaign requests, active requests, your critical milestones, and overdue tasks all on one board. Yeah, you can do that by working with this particular board. Now, after creating the tax, you definitely have a start date and a due date, and again, duration for each of the tax. So you can always track them by coming back to this space to check out how far you've gone, and by setting reminders to remind you whenever your tax is almost due or overdue. Then you can also view all your to-dos in one place and get them done. And then how can you do that? You can always do that by creating your to do, creating items, creating tasks for your to do. All right, just create them and arrange them in such a way that you can easily have access to them so that you can be productive. And then you can always launch new campaigns quickly by submitting a request form to automatically create a new project in your campaign request folder. So this is how you can go about it. Actually, just customize each of these campaigns, to suit your taste. Assign your team members to them, have discussions with them, collaborate with them, and ensure that the work is going on smoothly. And most importantly, ensure you fix deadlines to each of the tasks or the projects that you have on the campaign space. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Ensure you implement all that you've learned. Thanks for watching and have a good day.